Just what does it take to raise 1,000 broiler chickens? How much money do you need to start 1,000 broilers, and how much profit will it make? And is it even worth to raise 1,000 broilers? Hello everyone, just give me a few minutes and this video might completely change how you look at broiler farming. In the next 5 weeks, I'm going to walk you through how farmers are targeting up to millions farming broiler chickens, how many are making losses, and this video is not a motivation, this is not a theory, this is numbers, timing, feeding, mistakes, and market ready. So if you are ready to listen carefully, take notes, or apply what I'm not about to share, that's okay. You can watch other videos and no pressure, I won't feel bad. But if you are still here, it is because you want to see the results. So let me be clear, nothing in farming is magic and nothing is guaranteed. If you will follow the system correctly, step by step, you will understand exactly where the money comes from, why most farmers fail, and how to position yourself for serious profit in just 5 weeks farming 1,000 broiler chickens. So grab a notebook and a pen and let us start. We want to see if we can make any meaningful profit from 1,000 broiler chickens. So we start with the shelter, a small house, no concrete, no luxury, just locally available materials, off-cards, poles, iron sheets if you already have them, polythene, wire mesh. This is not where money is made, because this is where money is protected. We want to protect every single coin to see if we can really make any profit. Ventilation over beauty, dryness over pain, and space over pride. So 1,000 broilers, warm, safe, breathing, and the cost. So today we are spending zero cost on housing. Okay, zero as in zero cost on building the structure, because we want to see if we can make a profit from 1,000 broiler chickens. So let us go and buy our chicks. Our first real investment is 1,000 chicks, day-old broiler chicks, strong, vaccinated at the hatchery, uniform. The cost is 100 Kenyan shillings per each. So this is 100,000 Kenya shillings. And this is where the journey truly begins, because everything that follows success or failure is starting with the quality of this dedication. And number 3, the engine of growth is the feed. So feed is the heartbeat of our project. Miss it and the bird misses weight. Delay it and the market pushes you away. For 1,000 broiler chicks to reach market weight in 5 weeks that we are targeting, so we budget 125 bags of feed. Starter, grower, and finisher. No shortcuts, no experiments. And in Kenya, 1 bag goes at 3,000 Kenya shillings. So we calculate 125 bags times 3,000 Kenyan shillings. What do you get? 375,000 Kenya shillings for feeds. This is the largest cost, and rightly so, because weight is money. Healthy flock is a silent one. Vaccines, disinfectants, basic biosecurity, no drama, no outbreak. Vaccination will cost 10,000 Kenya shillings. Add drinkers, feeders, disinfectants, basic labor, nothing fancy, just functional, okay? Give it 40,000 Kenya shillings. So the total is, now we stop guessing and we total. Chicks costed us 100,000 Kenya shillings. Feed cost us 375,000 Kenya shillings. Vaccines took 10,000. Equipment and labor took 40. The total cost of production is 525,000 Kenyan shillings. This is the mountain we must climb to make profit. Now let us go to the part where we are waiting. Now for 5 weeks, approximately, that is 40 days, feeding, cleaning, watching, adjusting, no panic, no neglect, just consistency. So let us look at the sales. Now comes the most every farmer waits for, the part that everyone is waiting for, the market day. So let us assume our 1,000 broiler chickens are ready, heavy, healthy, attractive to buyers. And now we are selling each bird, our 1,000 bird at 600 Kenyan shillings per bird. So let us calculate and see if we are making any profit. So 1,000 birds times 600 Kenyan shillings. What do you get? 600,000 Kenyan shillings cash, really countable and honesty. So let us see if we have made any profit, and this is the truth. Now we subtract 600,000 Kenyan shillings minus 525,000 Kenyan shillings that we invested. So our profit is 75,000 Kenyan shillings in 5 weeks. No exaggeration, no magic, just mathematics. The question is it worth it? So as you can see, 75,000 shillings, some will say it is small, but listen carefully. This is one cycle, one house, one dedication. Improve feed efficiency, negotiate better prices, sell at 650 instead of 600, scale to 2,000 birds, and suddenly the whisper becomes a voice. So let me tell you this. Broiler farming will not make you rich overnight, but it will reward discipline, punish shortcuts, and respect preparation. If you understand the numbers will respect you. This is not luck, this is farming, and farming well done right, it will never lie. Until next time, bye bye.